I'm at the Dollar Tree and I'm grabbing some stuff for a great DIY that I saw. This is going to be really cool. It's going to wow you, but first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm at the Dollar Tree and we're going to go in for some items for a DIY that I saw. Let's go in and find out if they have them. Here's some of the Easter. Those are really cute bunnies. Just going to take a quick look through seasonal. Some of their containers. They have the truck bag that is cute. I have my tray from a few years ago. These are pretty. And those are super cute. And they have the cloth buckets. All of their floral is in. I never found the gnomes that were the cloth ones that I saw. But they have really great wood. Really cute dolls and stuffed animals. All new flip-flops are in. I buy these every year for my kids. They have them from small children to adults. Lots of new styles this year. The baby ones are so adorable. There's great craft ideas with these flip-flops too. You make a really nice wreath. I love the army ones. And here's for the smaller child. And teens. They have them. I'm so excited. This is for the DIY. I get a couple of them. They also have the poles that I need, and I need 4 of them. They have a bunch of the 20 counts, and I need one of these because I just used one and I like to restock. And these are really cute for cleaning your tabletops and buffets and countertops. I really like that. I saw a really great DIY with these black little wire baskets. I really like them, and I also have them in white, depending on your decor. They have the shower curtain rings, too. I'm going to grab a couple of packages of them. I have one at home already for this project. I like these shower curtains. I'm going to grab one for a thought with this DIY. Because if I don't, I'm probably going to regret it. So I'm going to grab it so I have it. Mother's Day's coming up, and they have these new spa exfoliating bath cloths. How nice are they? And some new other spa treatment stuff. Make a great basket. Here's a store hack. Grab a basket if you're going to buy one. Put the poles in it so they don't slide out of the shopping cart. I'm grabbing a bottle of the black chalk paint. There's only a few left, and I use it in a lot of my projects for my Dollar Tree DIYs. The wood crates. I'm going to grab a few of them for upcoming DIY projects from the Dollar Tree. I mentioned stickers in one of my videos, and they got a huge selection here for all kinds of DIYs. So check out their sticker department. You can embellish faces, picture frames, and the ideas are endless. You go onto Pinterest and see what sparks your imagination, and check out the stickers here at the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to grab 3 of these crafting wreath rings for another project, and it's not going to be for a wreath. I bet you can paint these to one solid color and make them into nice sconces. These caught my eye for vanity. How pretty. This is my favorite one, and they also have it in this style. And it looks like this style too. And they have flowered shaped boxes. Those are really pretty. And more stickers for children's rooms so you can embellish the walls. That is pretty. It reminds me of the sun. Really nice mirror that I see. Their picture frames have really stepped it up. Look at how pretty with the teal. That would make really cute lanterns with the dowels. instead of using a shadow box. I have crafting dowels at home. Starting from the left, I got the 20 count of the Scrub Buddies for my cleaning. One of these shower curtains. 2 of these frames for a project. 4 poles for a project. 3 crates. I was going to buy 5, but I grabbed 3. 2 9-volts. My husband needed them. A couple of the rings for your shower. My black paint that I use. One of these chicken wire baskets. 4 of the broom and mop holders. These are just like the command hooks. Same thing without the price. 3 of these wreath rings. That's not going to be a wreath. This is from another Dollar Tree haul, but I wanted to show it to you. It is a folding knife, and I'm going to be using it for a project. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, 1 for new subs, 1 for people who comment. If you're new, please say hi. Let me know that you're new. Must be a U.S. resident. If you're already subscribed, if you won in the past 60 days, you're not qualified, and you have to be a U.S. resident. Also, when we get 12 more subscribers, we're going to issue out a 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree. 5 great items that you get to choose. I will announce a winner and send the winner a picture of the items that are available, and you get to choose your own, and then we'll send it on to you. Again, you must be subscribed and U.S. residents to win any of my giveaways. That is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for coming to the store with me and shopping with me. I was so excited to find everything I needed. I'm glad I went to that one rather than the one down the way, because when I was there a few days ago, they had a lot of the items, but it's hit or miss, and you don't want to get there and get disappointed when you're not finding what you're looking for. Before we go, don't forget to check out my players list for Craft With Me. Look for that subscribe word and smash on it. Don't forget to tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share me to social media, and thank you for watching.